Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Shnaya. What's your name?
My name is Shrisha. Hi Shanaya. Can I ask some questions to you about your life?
Yes, you can ask question about my life.
Okay, so tell me something about yourself.
Okay, my name is Snapal. I studied in 6th standard in St. Teresa Convent School. I belong to Patna, Bihar, the state of southern India. But now I put up in Ghaziabad, the city of Uttar Pradesh, the state of northern India. But apart from this, I joined the Helpline Institute to improve my English well.
Presently, what are you doing?
Presently, I am studied in 6th standard in St. Teresa Convent School. I recently passed the 5th class from the same school, scoring good marks.
Tell something about your family background.
Yes. At the head of the family is my father, Mr. Sidnath Pal. He's a loco pilot in Indian Railways. My mother name is Ms. Panjal Preeti. She's a perfect housewife. We are 3 siblings. The elder one is me. My younger sister name is Mrs. Pranshi Pal. She studied in 4th standard in Kanasa Convent Board. I have younger brother. His name is Shivansh Pal. He is a toddler.
What's your daily routine?
My daily routine is to wake up early in the morning, then I brush my teeth, then I bath, then I worship to God, then I study for some hour, then I take my breakfast and then I go to school. Then I came from my school, I take lunch and I take some rest. Then I go to Helpline Institute to improve my English well. And I attend my another tuition. After that, I play for some hours. Then I study for 2-3 hours. Then I take my dinner and hot milk. Then I sleep.
Explain your favorite festival.
My favorite festival is Diwali because that day we burn crackers, we exchange gifts to others, and we met to our family, relatives, and friends, and we eat some sweets and we wear new clothes. That's why I like the Diwali.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is lavender because the flowers in lavender color, the t-shirt. That's why I like the lavender color.
What do you prefer, government job or private job?
I prefer government job because it provides stable income and many benefits such as pensions, medical facilities, and paid leave. A government job provides a respect, stability, and a better work-life balance, which is make my first choice.
Is protest the right way to make the world's future bright?
Yes, the peaceful protest is the right way, is the right democratic right. It's people to give their opinion to the government, and the peaceful protest is in the peaceful and respectful and within the law.
How can you differentiate between old generation and new generation?
Okay, the old generation they preferred simple lifestyle, while the new generation preferred modern lifestyle. But the old generation believed in the old generation stay connected with their family, but the new generation they connect with the technologies and others. The old generation believed in saving money, but the new generation they spend money on the technologies and gadgets. But my conclusion, both the generation having their own strength, but the old generation having tradition, respect, valuability, and the new generation having innovation, technologies, and fresh ideas.
Is tuition compulsory for every children?
Yes, tuition is compulsory for every student because they need more attention on their study for like a difficult subject. But we have to convert. But we have to the concentration on the self study. I also take tuition, but I give time on my self study because self study is also important than tuition.
What's your happiest moment in your life?
The happiest moment in my life that I performed a solo performance in my school in front of everyone. That is my first function in my school. It is my happiest moment.
What's your worst moment of your life?
The most moment of my life is that I was absent. I was absent for few days in my school. Then I went to school. There was a 3-4 tests, and I was very nervous that there are so many tests. This is the worst moment in my life.
Thank you for giving your precious time to this conversation.
Thank you for being me the part of this conversation. Thank you.
Thank you.